Welcome back to another video from your friends at Altitude University. Whether you're just entering a new market or if you want to assess how your services and pricing stack up against the competition, researching other drone service providers in your area can help improve your business. Stick around and we'll give you our advice on how to research and benefit from the competition. Before we begin, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so we can continue to provide you with more drone-related content. If you're launching a commercial drone business or looking to refine your services, researching your competition is a crucial step. By analyzing your competition's pricing, services, and market positioning, you'll gain insights that can help you establish a competitive edge, attract clients, and maximize profitability. Here's a guide to researching the competition in the drone industry, including strategies to evaluate prices, services offered, and considerations for setting your own rates. Step 1. Identify your competitors. Start by pinpointing the key players in your market. Here are some of our favorite ways to do this. Start by searching online. Look up terms like drone services near me or drone photography in whatever your area is to find businesses that offer similar services. Next, check out social media. Platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook are widely used by drone operators to showcase their work and connect with clients. You can look up hashtags like drone photography and check LinkedIn for professional profiles as well. Don't forget to also look for drone pilot networks and other industry directories. Some websites like DroneBase or Droners.io connect clients with certified drone pilots. These directories can provide a snapshot of who's active in your area and the types of jobs they focus on. You can also research the competition in person by attending networking events. Attending local events, drone meetups, or industry conventions to meet competitors and potential partners is a great way to see what your competition is all about. Professional networks are valuable for insight into what others are charging and offering. Step 2. Analyze services offered by your competitors. Understanding the services other drone businesses offer can help you determine your niche and differentiate your business. Start by making a list of common and unique services. Look at the websites, social media platforms, and competitors' portfolios. Make a list of common services such as real estate photography, aerial mapping, or inspections. Note any unique offerings that could set businesses apart, like thermal imaging, LiDAR mapping, or live streaming capabilities. Doing this can help to identify gaps in the market. Ask yourself, are there services that competitors aren't providing that are in demand? For instance, if only a few competitors offer construction site monitoring in your area, but demand exists, that could be a potential niche for you. When looking at what others are offering, it's important to also assess the quality of their services. You may find an operator offering mapping services where no one else is, but if they have horrible reviews for this service, it could be an opportunity for you. The bottom line is to pay attention to the quality of the competitor's work. Review their videos and photos for professionalism and aesthetic quality, and read client testimonials if available. This can give you an idea of what customers value and the standard of work expected. Number 3, investigate pricing strategies. To set your prices, it's essential to know what others are charging for similar services. Here's how to gather the information. The best place to start is with your competitor's website. Some competitors will list pricing on their websites. This is a straightforward way to gather information on baseline rates in your area. After looking at websites, check freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or drone-specific platforms like the Droning Company, which often show prices for drone services. Look up comparable jobs and locations to estimate typical rates. If you still need more information, you can always ask for a quote. Now, some people will say asking for quotes with no intent of using the service is kind of sketchy, so go with your gut. I think there is nothing wrong with asking for it. I get asked about my rates all the time, and I'm sure some people use them in their competitive research. It's just part of doing business. A final place to look for pricing is drone pilot forums. These sites can be a valuable source for pricing information. Asking questions about average rates or recent job quotes can give you insight into pricing trends. Remember, pricing can vary significantly based on region, experience, and service complexity. For example, high-end real estate photography may be priced differently than simple aerial surveying, and larger markets often have more competitive pricing than rural areas. Step 4. Set your prices based on market research. After gathering insights, you're ready to develop your pricing strategy. Start by calculating your cost, including equipment, insurance, maintenance, and transportation. Knowing your expenses helps you set prices that cover costs and deliver profit. Here are a few options for setting your rates. First, you can go with matching the market rates. Many businesses price services in line with the competition. This can make your rates familiar to clients and show that you're competitive with others in your field. Another strategy is pricing above the market. Pricing above the average can communicate higher quality or specialized services. If you have top-tier equipment and advanced skills or offer a niche service, a premium price can signal value. However, this approach can limit your client pool, especially if you're new to the industry. I typically price above the market because I'm willing to do jobs that are more remote and a little dangerous. If I was in a more urban area, I would probably not be able to demand the same amount for similar work. You can also price below the market. Setting prices below the competitors can attract cost-sensitive clients and help you build a portfolio. However, this can also lead to low margins and set expectations that may be difficult to adjust later as you scale. It's essentially a volume play, but in my experience, once you set prices low, it's hard to go back up. With all that being said, let's go over the pros and cons of pricing above or below the market rate. First, pricing above the market rate. Pros. You can attract clients willing to pay for quality, you signal expertise and specialized skills, and it can result in higher profits per job. On the con side, it limits your market to clients with higher budgets and may require exceptional marketing and branding to justify your higher costs. Now let's go to pricing below the market rate. Pros. It can help you enter a competitive market and build your client base. It is a good strategy for gaining initial reviews and referrals. Cons. This can lead to low profitability, may attract price-sensitive clients with less loyalty, and can make it difficult to raise prices later. Ultimately, it's up to you to decide which strategy is best. Here are a few additional tips for competitive pricing. Consider offering package deals. Bundling services like aerial photography and video editing can add value and appeal to clients. You can also factor in service customization. Consider offering custom quotes for larger or more complex projects, which can justify higher pricing based on specific requirements. Don't forget to stay updated on market trends. Continually research new trends and technologies in the drone industry. Updating your services or pricing in response to market shifts can keep your business competitive and relevant. By carefully researching your competition and setting prices strategically, you can position your drone business effectively in the marketplace. Remember, finding the right balance between competitiveness, profitability, and value is key to long-term success in this rapidly evolving industry. That's it for this video. From all of us at Altitude University, stay safe out there and happy flying.